me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath the flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good morning, children. Good morning. Get ready for Arabic. Are you ready? Yes. Come on. Ma'am is going to start the music. Start. The kids shall start. Yes, run. How do you do? Jason, so sweet. Very good. So sweet. Super children, all are doing nice. Yeah. Children, did you all bring the shawls, dupattas? Do you have with you? Yes? Yes, this is for a small activity. In between the class, we will do this. Now we go for the session. Okay, children? Yes? Happy? All clap hand and welcome the session. Clap your hands. Yes, very good. Very nice. Okay, today we are going to see about the meals of the day. What is that? What is meal, children? What is meal? You know what is meal? Did you hear the word meal? Yes? Did you hear the word meal? Meals means food which we have. Okay? Say, usually how many times we used to have meal? Can you say how many times we used to have? Main is 4 times? 3 times. What are they? The first one, morning. Morning which have food is, what is the name of that food called? Breakfast. Say, breakfast. There are 3 meals every day. There are 3 meals every day. All show 3 fingers. Come on. Show me 3 fingers. Yes, yes. 3 fingers. Jason, where is only 2 is there? Oh, Saimira, you have 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 meals. Usually we have 3 meals every day. The first meal we have in the morning, right? Almost all had your breakfast, right? That is known as breakfast. What is that? Morning meal is what? What is called morning meal? Say, Shivanya, what is morning? Yes, breakfast. Madhuvanti, superb. Good, Madhu. Good. What is the morning meal is called? Yes, breakfast. Nitiksha, say, what is the morning meal? Litiksha? Litiksha, what is the morning meal?
Breakfast, sir.
Morning 8, 7 to 9. In between the time of 7 to 9, we will have breakfast. Very good. Very good. Farheen, what is our first meal called? Farheen, what is the... Yes, breakfast. Saindra, you say, what is the name of the first meal? Saindra, what's the... Yes, what's the first meal name? Breakfast. Jason, you said here. What's our first meal?
First meal name.
One meal.
One meal illa. What is
One
it?
meal, not one meal. First meal, morning meal. Morning which we have is...
Morning food
What is that?
அது பேர் என்ன?
Preview.
Breakfast. சொல்லு.
Can I look at me? Breakfast. What is that? Yes, breakfast. Adam, the first meal is known as breakfast. Okay. Breakfast is the first meal. And afternoon, lunch time. What is that? Lunch. Afternoon, what we are eating is lunch. Afternoon, after the session, you will be tired now. After that, you will have your what meal? Second meal is lunch. What is that? Second meal is lunch. Madhu, say what is the second meal? Second meal is lunch. Say Madhu. What is the second meal? What is the second meal called? Lunch. Yes, very good, very good. And one more food meal we have, that is the night. The night meal is known as dinner. What is that? Dinner. Jason, what is the night meal called?
சொல்லு.
Dinner. Yes. Now, what is the first meal? Breakfast. What's the first meal, Nitiksha? Breakfast. And the second meal is lunch. Second meal is lunch. And the third meal is dinner. This is the 3 main meals which we have every day. Okay, children? I'll show you some pictures. You can clarify. You will clarify by seeing the picture. Okay? So there are 3 meals in a day. In between, what we are having is known as snacks. What is that? Snacks. Okay, what are these? What are these, children? Can you see? Idli, coffee, sambar, 2 type white chutney, green chutney, and some pudi. Yes, idli pudi. Yes, this is our breakfast. Usually, in all South Indian people will have this as the breakfast. What is it? Breakfast. Usually, what are the things we used to have in breakfast? Children, can you say something? What are the What are the tiffins we used to have in breakfast? Yes, idli. Then, okay, what is this? Wow. Dosa. Yes, we used to have idli, dosa. And what is this? Puri with potato. Yes, puri with potato. Puri potato. And what is this? Pongal. Yeah, lovely pongal. And what is this? Don't know, children? What is this? Is this pongal? No. There is onions are there. We never go for use onion for pongal, right? Upma. Yes, rava upma. Yes, okay, fine. So usually we have upma, pongal, puri, dosa, idli. These are the usual tiffins, right? Apart from this, we have so many things. Main course are these. Okay, right? Am I right? Yeah. These are the breakfast items. These are breakfast item. Idli, chutney, dosa, sambar or chutney something, puri kirangu, puri masala, and then pongal, upuma. And afternoon, we will have a great lunch. What is the meal is known as? Lunch. What is this? Rice, dal, sambar, papad, and some side dishes like pachadi, kootu, poriyal, pickle. Yes, this is known as lunch. What is this? Yes, sambar rice with payasam also. Curd, payasam, rasam. Ah, can you say the names? What is this? Idu taira? What is it? Vadai. And then? And then? Pickle. Pickle. Yes? This dish, I don't know what is it. This is pachadi, salad, right? Pachadi, kootu, poriyal, papad, curd, payasam, rasam. This is our, usually we will have these these items in our lunch. Yes, right, children? Sambar, dal, something, right? We'll have in the lunch. This is our lunch. Usually what will we have in the night? Some people will have the same rice and some will go for tiffin items, right? Most of them will have a tiffin as the dinner. Okay, what is this? Oh, something fluffy. What is it? Don't know, children? Okay, fine. What is this? What is this? Yeah, chapati with some sabji, sambar, curry, kurma, something. We'll have chapati with sabji, right? So this is our usual dinner meal. What is this? Dinner meal. Okay, so every day we have 3 meals. Come on, say how many meals we will have daily? Children, say how many meals we will have? 3 meals. Say 3 meals. What are they? In the morning we have breakfast. Morning meal is breakfast. Afternoon meal is lunch. And the night meal is dinner. Shall we sing a song, children? I breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. Come on, sing. I breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. Then there's a lunch in afternoon, at night dinner comes so soon. There are 3 meals every day, chum chum chum. Say, I breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. Then I breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. And there's a lunch in the afternoon, at night dinner comes so soon. There are 3 meals every day, chum chum chum. Okay, children, lovely song, you know. These are the meals what we have every day. Okay, fine. So shall we sing together, children? Come on, sing. Sing, come on, clap your hands. All clap, clap. Sing along. Sing. I have breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. Sing. I have breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. Then there's a lunch in the afternoon, a dinner. At night dinner comes so soon. There are 3 meals every day, chum chum chum. Yes, there are 3 meals every day, chum chum chum. I have breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. Then there's a lunch in the afternoon and dinner and night dinner comes so soon. There's a 3 meal every day. Chum chum chum. Okay, children, did you enjoy the song? Yes, these are the 3 meals which we have every day. Yes, okay. Can you say what are the 3 meals? Yes, Shivanya, say what are the 3 meals?
Dinner.
Breakfast,
Breakfast, lunch, and
dinner.
very good, very good. Clap, children. All clap to Shivanya. Varsha, can you say what are the 3 meals?
Make a bonus. Lunch corn.
Madhu, now I'm asking Varsha. This is Varsha turn. Okay? Ah, good girl. Varsha, what are the 3 meals?
Breakfast,
Lunch.
And then
dinner.
dinner. Very good, very good. Madhu, now you say. Madhu, say what are the 3 meals?
Lunch.
Ah, lunch and night
Dinner.
dinner. That's all. These are the main 3 meals. Very good, Jason. Can you name the 3 meals? Yes. What is the first meal?
அம்மா ஓடி சொல்லு. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Yes. Second meal is afternoon we have
Lunch.
lunch.
அப்புறம்
Night we have
புட்டா.
dinner. Dinner. Very cute. Very cute. Good boy. Farhin, you say dear. Farhin, say what are the 3 meals? Breakfast. Breakfast in the morning. I have breakfast in the morning. Chum chum chum. Yes, you have breakfast in the morning. Yes, afternoon. Chum chum chum. Okay, lunch in the afternoon. Chum chum chum. Like that we can say. Yes, lunch in the afternoon. Chum chum chum. Yes. Night. Dinner at night. Okay. Enjoy. Yeah, she likes it. Letitia, what are the 3 meals? Breakfast, very good. Afternoon?
Lunch.
Lunch. At night?
Dinner.
Very cute. Saimira, your turn. This is. Say the 3 meals. First, what we'll have?
Lunch.
At night? Dinner. Very good. So you are clear, right? Shall we sing the song again? Yes? I have breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. Clap and sing. I have breakfast in the morning, chum chum chum. Then there's a lunch in the afternoon. At night dinner comes so soon. There are 3 meals every day, chum chum chum. Okay, children? Yes, very good, very good. Now, ma'am is going to teach you revise about number 8. Okay? Yeah. I hope you are thorough, right? Number 8. No, before that, I'll teach you about fruits, children. Okay? Then we go for number 8. Yes, okay. Fine. What fruit is this, children? Daily I'm keep on practicing this. What is this? Say loudly, children. All say together. Mango. What is it?
Banana.
Banana. What is this?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. What is it?
Apple.
Apple. What is this? Yes?
Banana.
No, what fruit is this, Jason?
கவுண்ட சொல்லு
Say Litiksha.
புரியுது
Pomegranate. Yeah, pomegranate. Okay. What is this? Pineapple. Pineapple. What is it? Yes, very nice. Custard apple. This one? Chiku. Wow, this is?
what is this
What is it? Papaya. What is this? Grapes. And what is it? Pure. Pure. Say pure. This one?
சவுண்டா
Peach. Yeah, very good. Peach. What is it? Orange. And what is this? Watermelon. Good. Watermelon. And what is this? See? Guava. Yeah, guava. What is this? Yes, what is it? Sweet lime. Very cute. Yeah, what is this? Yesterday I teach you, right? I taught this yesterday.
அம்மா சவுண்டா சொல்லாமே
Ah, yes. Muskmelon. What is it?
சொல்லு ஸ்ட்ராபெரி சொல்லு
Ah, say. Ah, you love it very much, right, Litiksha? Yes. What is it?
what is this
Strawberry.
thank you sir
Strawberry. And what is this?
சவுண்டா
Children, can you remember this name? Yes? Say.
சொல்லு அது என்னது
Yes, gooseberry. Very cute. Gooseberry. Superb. So now take your workbook and page number D70. Take your workbook, open the page number D70. D70 empty. Sorry, not empty. D70 CT. Yeah. CT D70. Okay, match the fruits with your colors. Ready, children? Match the fruits with their colors. Okay, ready? What is the first fruit, children? What is the first fruit? Did you take the page? Yeah. The first fruit is what? What is this fruit? Orange. What is the color of orange?
Orange.
Orange is the color of orange. Can you see this at the right side? They have given the colors. Yes. Where is orange, children? Is this orange? First one is orange. Is this orange? No. Is this orange? Second one? No. Is this orange? Third one? Is this orange? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So have to draw a line from orange to orange with orange line. Yes. Now we have to go for second fruit. What is this? Guava. What is it? Guava. So what is the color of guava? See, you have to say the color. Yes, what is the color of guava? Green. Where is green this side? This side colors are there, no? Where is green? Is this green? First one?
No.
No. Second one green?
No.
Third one green?
No.
Fourth one green?
No.
No? Yes. So have to join the line with guava to green color. Okay? The next one is, what is the fruit? Third one. What fruit is this?
Red.
Grapes. What's the color of grape? Purple. What's the color of grape?
Purple.
Yeah, where is the color of purple? The first one is purple?
Yes.
Yes, have to join with purple color of grapes. Okay? Then the fourth one is, yeah, fourth one is what? Apple.
Apple.
Yeah, apple is what color?
Red.
Red. Where is red here? Only two more colors are left. Is this red? No. Is this red?
No.
No, the last one is red?
Yes.
Yes, so have to join with red. And that last, what is that? What fruit is banana? What is the color of banana? You're very familiar with banana, right? What is the color of banana? Yellow. So yellow to yellow color. Yes, very nice. All finished, right? Finished. Very good. Now I'm going to teach you the numbers. Okay? What are the numbers? Can you see, children? Count again. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. Yes. 11, 1 and 12, 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 8, 18, 1 and 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. 11, wait, I'll teach. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Next.
21.
Yes. 2, 1, 21.
21,
2, 2, 22.
24,
2, 3, 23.
27,
2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. Madhu, put your mic mute, dear. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. Say 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, right, children? 30. Yeah, you know this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8 we learned right now, children. Yes, now we are going to do the activity. All take page number 70, D70. Yes, page number D70, MT. D70, MT. Okay? Yes, it's D70, MT. All are taken right? I hope so. Now we have to count and match the numbers. Okay, children? Count and match the numbers. What's the first number? Children, can you say what's the first number?
7.
7. First, you have to count the objects of right side. How many pairs are there? Can you count and say 1, 2, 3. So, where is 3? Is this 3? First one is 3, left side. Is this 3, children? No. Second one is 3.
No.
No. Third one is 3.
Yes.
Yes. So have to draw a line with pairs to 3. The second picture is, what is the second picture? Strawberry. Can you count and say how many strawberries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many strawberries are there? 7 strawberries. Where is number 7? Is this number 7, first one? Say yes. So have to have to draw a line like this. And the third one is pomegranate. How many pomegranates are there? Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pomegranates are there? 8 pomegranates. Where is 8? Find out 8. This is 7. What is the second number? What's the second number, children? 6. The third number is 3. Fourth number is 8. So have to draw a line like this. Okay? Fine. And kiwi. Next one is kiwi. Count how many kiwis are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kiwis. Yes, na? There are 4 kiwis. Where is number 4? Yes, it's here. So 4 kiwis. And at last, what is this? I think fig. Yes, it's a fig fruit. How many fruits are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, where is 6? Yeah, here it is. 6 is here. So draw a line like this. Do it.
I finished.
Finished, Ivanya? Good job. Good.
Saimira.
Saimira, good draw. Very nice. Very nice, Saimira. So, this page you take it as a homework. Okay, children. You have to color D70. Page number D70. This is the same way. See the number, count that much, that number of objects you have to color. Okay. The first number is 3, but don't do this. Take it as the homework. What's the first number? 3. Have to count and color 3 apples. Yeah, like this. Don't do it now. Take it as the homework.
Okay.
So have to color only 3 apples.
3 apples மட்டும் கலர் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, not now.
பண்றீங்களா? இப்போ இல்ல ஹோம்வொர்க் தான். அப்புறம் பண்ணுங்க.
Homework, yes. Homework. It's a homework. Okay.
3 apples.
Panda pizza.
அதுக்குள்ள அடிக்கூடாது. 3 தானே கேட்டுக்கிறாங்க. 3 apples மட்டும் தான் கலர் பண்ணணும்.
Yes, like this. So if it is 5 strawberry means you have to color 5 strawberries. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Okay, children? Yeah. This is take it as a homework. Page number D70, empty.
இதான்.
Yes. Now I'm going to teach you letter K. What is that? Letter K. So how the letter K will be? It has one standing line and 2 slanting line. Makes the letter K. Okay. What is the sound of K? K, K. What is the sound of K? K, K. Yes. K, K, kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K, K, kangaroo. K for cola. K, K, cola. K for kingfisher. K for key. K, K, key. K for kettle. K, K, kettle. K for king. K, K, king. And K for karate. K, K, karate. Now children, we are going to write letter K. This is also a homework. So you have D70K as a homework and color the number of picture which is given in the book is homework. Okay children, this also take it as the homework. D70 LT. LT. Okay, got it? Fine. Now this is the activity time. Are you tired children? Oh, you Soimira, why you so sad? Yes, you got tired? Okay, fine. This is the activity time. Can you bring your shawls? All come on, rush, come on. Run and bring your shawls. Yeah. Parents, please help the children to fold the shawl like this. Fold the shawl like this. Yes. Place the shawl in the floor in a uniform distance. Yes. One after another with a distance. One like this, one here, one there, one like this. Yes, yes. Yes, Madhuvantima. Yeah. Like that, keep it on the floor. Place it on the floor. Yes, this is a physical skill, children. Daily we will practice this. Okay? Place it on the floor. Yeah. Yes, just simply fold like this. Yes, keep it on the floor. One after another with a distance. Adan, come on, Adan. Yes, Litiksha, very nice, very nice. Shivanya, enable your video down. Saimira, keep distance with one to other. Yes. Will you please place it in the middle of the room? So they are going to jump with both the legs. Very good, Jason. Jason has started. Very nice. And Shivanya also. Yes. Now without help, you have to jump with your both the legs. Use, yes, very good, Shivanya. Good, good, good. Wow, excellent. 3 times, go that side. Yeah, no, you have to cross the, what is that? Cross the shawl. You are not supposed to jump on the shawl. Jump over the shawl. Yes.
பண்ணுங்க ஜம்ப் பண்ணுங்க இப்போ பண்ணுங்க மேம் பாக்குறாங்க பண்ணுங்க பண்ணுங்க
Yes, Madhuvanti. Come on, keep it down. Place it down, Madhu.
இல்ல கீழே பண்ணுங்க இப்படி கீழே பண்ணுங்க
Shivanya, very good. Yeah, like that. Very nice. Super, super. Litiksha, come on, do. Shivanya doing a good job. Yes. No, Litiksha, you have to jump with both the legs. Yes, right, right. Nice. Very good. Shivanya, nice. Litiksha, jump with both legs. Both of your legs. Fargin, I'm not able to see your legs. Yes, Saimira, start. Jason, come on. Very good. Very good, Saimira. Jason, good job. Come from that side to this side. The same way, go to this side to that side. Yeah.
இப்படி பண்ணி பாருங்க
Yes. Stop there and go that side the same way.
இந்த சைடு பண்ணுங்க
Very good, very good. Yes, Jason. Slowly, slowly, Kanna. Saimira, excellent. Madhu, you're not doing, Madhu.
நீ பண்ணுங்க 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 இந்த பக்கம் பண்ணுங்க ஒரு சைடு பண்ணுங்க இந்த ஒரு
Madhu,
சைடு
தரையில போட்டுக்கோங்க. தரையில போட்டு ஜம்ப் பண்ணணும் ரெண்டு காலாலையும்.
இப்படி பிடிச்சிக்கிட்டு இருங்க இருங்க நான் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறேன் தரையில போட்டு ஜம்ப் பண்ணுங்க வாங்க
Yes.
பிடிங்க போட்டு ஜம்ப் பண்ணுங்க
அத தாண்டுங்க.
தாண்டுங்க துப்பட்டாவை தாண்டணும் இங்க பாருங்க நீட்டா இப்படி பண்ணிட்டு தாண்டுங்க பிடிங்க
Saimira, Raghav also doing.
தாண்டுங்க
Small baby Raghav.
இத போட்டு தாண்டுங்க தாண்டுங்க
Very good, very good, Saimira. Very good, Madhu. Farheen? Yes, Farheen. Very nice, very nice. Shivanya, enough dear. Your leg will get pain. Yes, children. Okay, if you're tired, stop jumping. If you feel tired, stop jumping.
They won't get tired, man. You won't get tired.
They would be tired, right? Very good, children. All pat on your back, children. Excellent job. You have done an excellent job. Yes, daily you have to bring this shawl for session, okay? Yes, Saimira, great. Madhuvanti, great. Fargin, good. Nitiksha, fine. Adan, where are you, Adan? Very good. Okay, stop all, come and sit. Yes, children. You might be tired, right? Okay. So, this is the end of the session. We are in the end of the session, right? Okay, ma'am is going to close the session. You might enjoy this game, right? Yeah. This is a small physical activity for you. Okay? Yes. Okay. Say all of you, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.